Crocodiles. What if I told you that the most feared predator on Earth has been secretly protecting your drinking water, and that without these ancient giants, entire ecosystems would collapse within months? Most people think crocodiles are just mindless killing machines, lurking in murky waters waiting to snap at anything that moves. But young explorers, prepare to have your minds completely blown. These incredible reptiles are actually brilliant architects, devoted parents, and essential guardians of nature who have survived since the time of dinosaurs by being far more intelligent than anyone ever imagined. Today on Fun Animals for Kids, we're diving into the fascinating world of the top 10 most amazing crocodile breeds that will change everything you thought you knew about these prehistoric survivors. From crocodiles that climb trees like cats, to species that barely grow larger than a Dutch shepherd, these reptilian superstars are about to reveal secrets that even adult scientists are still discovering. Picture this. A creature so massive it makes a Dutch shepherd look like a tiny puppy, yet so patient it can remain motionless underwater for over an hour, waiting for the perfect moment to strike. The saltwater crocodile is the largest living reptile on Earth, with some giants reaching over 23 feet long and weighing more than a small car. But here's what makes your jaw drop. These incredible hunters have a bite force of 3,700 pounds per square inch. That's strong enough to crush a bowling ball like an eggshell. Yet despite this terrifying power, saltwater crocodiles are surprisingly gentle mothers. Female saltwater crocodiles carry their babies to water in their mouths. The same jaws that could snap a tree trunk in half become the safest nursery in the animal kingdom. What makes American alligators truly special is their role as aquatic landscapers. You see, during dry periods, these resourceful reptiles use their powerful bodies and claws to dig gator holes in marsh bottoms. These holes become crucial water sources for fish, birds, turtles, and countless other animals. Without alligators constantly maintaining these water oases, many wetland ecosystems would completely disappear. It's really quite amazing when you think about it. American alligators also demonstrate remarkable intelligence in their hunting strategies. They've been observed using tools, placing sticks on their snouts during bird nesting season to lure unsuspecting birds looking for nest materials. This problem-solving ability shows these reptiles are far more clever than their prehistoric appearance might suggest. Who knew they had such a crafty side? For over 4,000 years, Nile crocodiles have been revered and feared along the legendary Nile River. Ancient Egyptians worshipped these magnificent predators as gods, recognizing their crucial role in maintaining the river's delicate balance. Even today, Nile crocodiles continue serving as nature's cleanup crew, preventing disease outbreaks by consuming dead animals that would otherwise contaminate water sources. It's a testament to their enduring importance in the ecosystem. These African giants showcase incredible parental dedication that honestly puts many other animals to shame. Both mother and father, Nile crocodiles, guard their nests for 3 whole months, taking turns to make sure their eggs stay at just the perfect temperature. When the babies start hatching, the parents carefully dig them out and carry dozens of tiny crocodiles to safety in special throat pouches. Nile crocodiles possess an amazing superpower called the high walk. Unlike most reptiles that drag their bellies on the ground, Nile crocodiles can lift their entire bodies high up on their legs and actually gallop across land at speeds up to 22 miles per hour. This impressive ability helps them travel between water sources and escape danger when rivers dry up. Don't let their smaller size fool you. Spectacled caimans, which are, roughly the size of a large Dutch shepherd when fully grown, pack incredible intelligence and adaptability into their compact frames. These amazing reptiles have managed to colonize habitats from tropical rainforest all the way to urban canals, proving that, size really doesn't determine survival success. What makes spectacled caimans absolutely fascinating is their sophisticated communication system. They produce over 12 different vocalizations, from gentle purrs when courting to loud bellows that can be heard over a mile away. Baby spectacled caimans even call to their mothers before hatching, allowing parents to time their nest excavation perfectly. These remarkable reptiles also serve as living water purifiers. Spectacled caimans consume enormous quantities of diseased fish and sick animals, preventing harmful bacteria and parasites from spreading throughout aquatic ecosystems. Their constant patrolling keeps water systems healthy for all creatures, including humans who depend on clean water sources. Meet the gharial, the most unique-looking crocodilian on Earth. With their incredibly long, narrow snouts filled with over 100 razor-sharp teeth, gharials look like nature decided to cross a crocodile with a sword. But you know, this distinctive appearance serves an incredible purpose that really showcases evolutionary perfection. Gharials are fish-catching specialists whose streamlined jaws can snap shut underwater with lightning speed, creating almost no resistance that might scare away their prey. Male gharials grow a distinctive bulbous growth called a gara on their snout tips, which amplifies their calls and creates bubble displays that mesmerize potential mates. These incredible reptiles demonstrate remarkable engineering skills by creating elaborate nesting beaches. Female gharials work together to dig communal nesting areas in riverbank sand, carefully selecting locations with perfect temperature and drainage conditions. This cooperative behavior, which is actually pretty rare among reptiles, helps ensure the survival of future gharial generations. Cuban crocodiles shatter every stereotype about slow, lumbering reptiles. These athletic marvels can leap completely out of water to snatch prey from overhanging branches, displaying agility that would impress any gymnast. Their powerful legs and flexible spines allow them to perform incredible acrobatic feats that, honestly, leave wildlife experts speechless. Found only in Cuba's Zapata swamp, Cuban crocodiles face enormous challenges but continue displaying remarkable intelligence. They've learned to hunt in coordinated groups, working together to herd fish into shallow areas where capture becomes much easier. This cooperative hunting behavior, similar to wolves or dolphins, reveals sophisticated social intelligence rarely seen in reptiles. Cuban crocodiles also showcase incredible problem-solving abilities. In captivity, they've learned to operate simple mechanisms, recognize individual humans, and even respond to their names. These learning capabilities suggest that crocodilian intelligence may be far more advanced than scientists previously understood. In the dense rainforests of West and Central Africa lives the smallest crocodile species on Earth. Dwarf crocodiles rarely exceed 6 feet in length, making them roughly the same size as a large dog, yet they play enormous roles in maintaining forest ecosystem health. These forest-dwelling crocodiles possess incredible climbing abilities that would surprise anyone expecting typical crocodile behavior. Dwarf crocodiles regularly climb steep riverbanks, fallen logs, and even low-hanging tree branches while hunting for crabs, insects, and small mammals. Their sharp claws and flexible bodies make them surprisingly agile in dense vegetation. Dwarf crocodiles serve as crucial seed dispersers throughout African rainforests. They consume large quantities of fruits that fall into rivers, then travel miles before depositing seeds in their waste. This natural gardening service helps maintain forest diversity and ensures plant species can colonize new areas along waterways. With fewer than 800 individuals remaining in the wild, Philippine crocodiles represent one of the most endangered reptiles on Earth. These gentle giants rarely exceed 10 feet in length, and have developed peaceful coexistence strategies with local communities for centuries, earning them the nickname Mindoro, or Gentle One, in local languages. Philippine crocodiles display remarkable tolerance for human presence, often basking peacefully near villages and rice fields without showing aggression. This peaceful nature, unfortunately, made them easy targets for hunters, contributing to their dramatic population decline. However, conservation efforts involving local communities are slowly helping these incredible reptiles recover. These amazing crocodiles serve as living water quality indicators. Their presence signals healthy freshwater ecosystems, while their absence often indicates pollution or habitat degradation. Philippine crocodiles filter enormous amounts of water through their feeding activities, helping maintain the clean watersheds that local communities depend on for survival. American crocodiles showcase incredible adaptability by thriving in both saltwater and freshwater environments throughout the Caribbean, Central America, and southern Florida. Their specialized salt glands allow them to drink seawater and excrete excess salt through their tongues, making them true marine reptiles. These remarkable crocodiles demonstrate sophisticated territorial behavior that helps maintain ecosystem balance. Individual American crocodiles establish and defend specific hunting territories, preventing overexploitation of local fish populations. This natural resource management ensures sustainable food sources for all aquatic predators in their shared habitats. American crocodiles also display incredible navigation abilities that rival those of sea turtles. They can travel hundreds of miles between breeding and feeding areas, using magnetic fields, star positions, and chemical cues to find their way across vast ocean distances. This remarkable homing ability helps maintain genetic diversity across scattered populations. In the tropical wetlands of Mexico, Belize and Guatemala lives one of the most industrious crocodile species on Earth. Morlet's crocodiles are master wetland architects who constantly modify their environments to create perfect hunting and nesting conditions. These incredible engineers dig extensive canal networks that connect isolated water bodies during dry seasons. These crocodile-created waterways become highways for fish, turtles, and other aquatic animals, dramatically increasing biodiversity throughout wetland ecosystems. Without these natural engineers, many tropical wetlands would fragment into disconnected pools, unable to support large animal populations. Morlet's crocodiles also demonstrate remarkable memory and learning abilities. They remember the exact locations of the best hunting spots, nesting beaches, and safe resting areas throughout their territories. This mental mapping ability, combined with their landscape modification skills, makes them keystone species whose presence determines the structure and function of entire wetland communities. After exploring these 10 amazing crocodile breeds, one truth becomes, crystal clear crocodiles are not the mindless monsters that movies and scary stories portray. They are brilliant engineers, devoted parents, cooperative hunters, and essential guardians of aquatic ecosystems around the world. From the massive saltwater crocodile patrolling tropical coastlines to the tiny dwarf crocodile maintaining rainforest streams, each species plays crucial roles that keep our planet's water systems healthy and thriving. These prehistoric survivors have persisted for over 200 million years by being far more intelligent, adaptable, and ecologically important than most people ever realize. They've witnessed the rise and fall of dinosaurs, survived ice ages and mass extinctions, and continue thriving in modern times by serving as nature's cleanup crews, ecosystem engineers, and biodiversity guardians. The next time you see a crocodile in documentaries, remember that you're looking at one of evolution's greatest success stories. These incredible reptiles deserve our respect, protection, and admiration for their remarkable abilities and essential ecological roles. Ready for more incredible animal adventures that will, blow your mind? Subscribe to Fun Animals for Kids on YouTube and join us as we explore the amazing world of wild animals through exciting educational videos that make learning fun and unforgettable. Every video reveals surprising secrets about the incredible creatures sharing our planet, from the tiniest insects to the mightiest predators. Hit that subscribe button and become part of our growing community of young explorers discovering the wonders of the natural world together.